Hegel products represent an idea I have about keeping the integrity of the sound. They should not add any artificial or distortion components. We use advanced technology to keep the cost level down while having a really high performance level.
Hegel is represented in more than 44 countries nowadays, and it's all come through the last 7 to 10 years. When times are tough, people still want to have a good time and to buy quality stuff, but they are so much more focused on buying something that has value. We are so much about creating products that offer value for the money.
Using technology to improve the sound, not throwing expensive components, but using good quality components.
The Hegel products have a very Scandinavian type design. It's simple, timeless and elegant, which is a feature associated with a lot of high quality Scandinavian products. We don't have a lot of nonsense knobs and lights. We don't have any nonsense in the sound. It is what it is. In 2008, we had lots of time because there was a financial crisis going on. No customers called, nobody wanted to buy anything. And we spent a whole lot of time debating how do we think people will want to use hi-fi in the future. And the first thing we thought was that people don't want to own music. There will be services that will offer music on subscription basis that will outperform any CD player ever built. Secondly, we don't think you really want to control your products with a remote control designed by a high-end audio manufacturer. We think you want to use your phone. The H160 wasn't possible until now, when we were able to work around with technologies like Apple AirPlay. Apple AirPlay is a great way of both getting music and at the same time controlling the device you're playing it through with your iPhone, because your iPhone might be the player. The H160 is our new integrated amplifier. It packs 150 watts per channel into 8 ohm, and that's continuous power. It's also stable down to lower impedances.
Most people really, they don't need any more than the H160 and a couple of good speakers. It has the possibility to play by streaming the sound, all the other functionality you need for connecting to your TV or to your computer or any other sound source. So it's really a one-box solution with really good sound quality. Our first patented technology is the sound engine technology. It is an adaptive feed-forward technology that really removes distortion and noise from the signal. It will give a higher dynamic range. It will give a much more clean signal without the typical dynamic crossover problems of normal transistor amplifiers. The H160 is based on technology we use in our reference products, the H30 power amplifier and the P30 preamplifier. It's using exactly the same sound engine technology. Of course, it's not that powerful, but the dynamic range and low distortion is about the same as the high-end Hegel systems. The DA technology in the H160 is of course based on a lot of different DA technology we have from the past. We've been doing DAC technology for so many years. We are really specialists on DAC technology. So I think Hegel is one of the few companies that has really high knowledge in both analog amplifiers and DA technology.
In the H160, we both improved our output stages by adding new transistors that gives lower distortion, more timing, rhythm and precision. But we also did significant fixes in the preamp. And most of that is related to the power supplies to drive the individual components in the preamp, making it sound much more natural and fluid by reducing high frequency distortion. That's one of the biggest discoveries we've actually done in quite some time. High frequency distortion just kills the music, but when you get it away, it just sounds musical. You just want to play more and more and more. As far as we know, The H160 is the first high-end product that has actually worked around trying to make AirPlay sound significantly better and to have AirPlay be a true audiophile product.
So we think the H160 is the first really good sounding AirPlay one-box solution.
And all of this is about offering the customer great value and great sound and great experiences.